Scotty! You've been busy this morning playing contortionist underneath the dash. You're playing contortionist for Joey?
Yes.
Isn't that extra?
Well, I mean, just saying. Okay.
By the way, it sucks to breathe in here today because it's smoky. It's a singer in a smoky room.
We'll show you guys in a second. So,
is the smell of wine and cheap perfume around?
Right. So there we go.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
I was way too close to my mouth by your dick. Not Don't get any idea.
Just saying.
$20 is $20.
So, I don't know if you guys can see how this is going to be hard to do. So.
Did you say large? What?
I think I can get that.
You think you can?
Well, I'm on top of everything, so it's hard to really.
Well, that's your standard position.
Okay, so there's our lock. So when we turn, it's supposed to hear the click. Now, when I let go.
That's right.
Now it's working.
That's cute. So you got to turn it up, but it works. Okay. Hey, you know what? You probably just...
Did I fix it and not know it?
Yeah, you probably just saved Joey like $400. So, okay, car's in neutral, right? Do that. Make sure the car's in neutral. And I'm just going to push on it gently and see if everything...
Put a rag on your hands.
I'm going to use my...
Well, the ass is big enough, so go ahead. Okay, so we need to adjust the cable a little bit.
Adjust the cable, but...
Okay.
But it locks now. Okay, so let's adjust it and see what we got, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so...
And shall we show them how...
Joey, we love you. We do. Show them our outside view this morning, Bobby.
Well, no one wants this outside view. Anyway. It's actually clearing up. But kind of smoky. If I'm going to hack this hard, I better be smoking really expensive cigars. But it smells like a bonfire out here. And there's ash on everything.
Here.
Oh yeah, look at this fender. Just from... This car was clean last night when we left.
Ready?
It's all ash. And this thing was clean last night.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's disgusting. All right, so we're going to do some adjustments and we'll be back.